Alright, so I just unboxed that colander, and now I'm going to unbox this bad boy. Again, been on a bit of a cooking kick, probably basically for the first time in my life. I mean, that's not totally true. I've cooked before in the past, but this is the most I've actually cooked, I'd say. And so this is kind of ridiculous, by the way. So for this gigantic box, let's see if I can, I don't even know if this whole thing is fitting in the picture, but this gigantic box was filled up by this scary looking knife. And I've seen other videos. I think I ordered some like AAA batteries. I don't know why I didn't unbox those, because I pretty much unbox everything, but and film it. But I think it was like, it wasn't even AAA batteries. It was like a battery that you put on like a watch, like this tiny freaking thing. And the box was, I mean, it was even more disproportionate than this right here. But this is kind of ridiculous. You could probably fit like, I don't know, 30 of these knives in this box. Anyways, I've been cooking a lot more, and I basically only have, I mean, I have butter knives, but like one step above a butter knife. I don't even know what you call it, but this is a Mercer Culinary Millennia 10-inch chef's knife. I did kind of cheap out on it from the standpoint of, as far as chef's knives go, I noticed they're get way pricier than this thing. This is a whopping $17.39. As I said, it's a 10-inch knife. There's ones that are much more expensive with that quote-unquote chef's knife title. But this had pretty good reviews, and it's an Amazon choice. 4.5 stars. Again, $17.39. I'm looking at it right now. I don't like that there's all this stuff here. I'm generally not big into logos, and you know, I'd rather just keep something clean, like a cleaner look. But obviously the main point of this is how well is this thing going to cut. High carbon, stain-free steel. This thing is scary. I actually, I mean, you could definitely do some damage and hurt someone pretty badly with this. Obviously, easy edge maintenance and rapid sharpening. Yeah, the grip on this, by the way, as I'm holding this, it's got a nice grip. It's a little sticky almost, so that's nice. Let me try and open this. I don't see if this is too awkward. Alright. If I cut myself, maybe I'll get some more views, actually. I am up to a whopping, oh god, this is kind of sketchy. 75. This literally might be a live experience where I get stitches. Nope, I'm good for now. Whew. So yeah, this thing, it's like bigger than my face. Oh, you know, I feel like a cheap way to get YouTube views is if I like put this against my neck or something. That's just wrong. Anyways, so this bad boy, it's like 10 inches. I don't know. I honestly would have to try this to see how well it does. I bought it specifically because the other day I bought a bunch of salmon, and there's some weird marks at the top. Oh no, it's just, that was nothing. Bought some salmon, and I just had this like dinky little knife. Again, that's like one step above a butter knife, and I was like taking it and just trying to like cut through this frozen salmon, and it was just such a pain and a struggle, and I was like, all right, I'm finally gonna buy a halfway decent knife. With that said, I still don't have a cutting board, so I'm probably doing this all wrong. That'll be the next thing I probably buy. But yeah, here we go, $17.39. Mercer Culinary Millennia 10-inch knife. What else we got here really quick? Oh, what the heck? Man. So now I'm looking, and now there's this other knife by the same company. It's $14.93, so it's it's a couple of dollars cheaper. It's the #1 bestseller. The customers who viewed this knife also viewed that one. So yeah, I actually kind of wish I got the other one maybe without really looking at it. Couple more points. Razor sharp edge is easy to maintain. Slip resistant texture points, protective guard. Santoprene and polypropylene ergonomic handle. No idea what those mean. I assume that's kind of like the materials. They show photos of this thing cutting through, I don't even know what food that is, some weird looking food, some bread, a tomato, and yeah, so I'm pretty stoked to give this a shot, and I am somewhat clumsy, so I'm a little worried I might cut myself fairly badly. If you see right here on my thumb, that's actually a burn mark that I kind of picked at, so now it looks even more gross, but I did that with the George Foreman grill that I unboxed the other day. I started trying to clean it a little too soon after I had used it, and I managed to burn myself. So hopefully with this bad boy, I do not cut myself. Yeah, give it a go. All right, to my left is the final unboxing.